Hello everyone, my name is Hashan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll bring you the second part of the video tutorial on creating a professional portfolio website. If you haven't watched the first part yet, please check it out before watching this video, as it will help you to follow along with the today's workthrough. I have also put the link in the description below. As you remember, in the first video, I showed you how to design the desktop view of your portfolio website using the Wix platform. Today, I'm going to show you how to design the mobile view of your website. The mobile view is extremely important because on average of 70 to 80% of traffic might visit your website using mobile devices. So designing a mobile view is crucial for your website. Okay, let's jump into the tutorial and continue where we stopped in the last video. Currently, our mobile view isn't looking great. As you can see, a couple of sections are not properly displayed on the mobile frame size, so we need to fix them. Here I switch to the mobile view editor. First, we'll start with the logo. Let me place it on the top left. The menu bar is white, which doesn't match the theme, so let's make it black. Click the mobile background option in the left side toolbar, then click color and select black. Next, we can reduce the subheader and the header font size a bit. Let's place the welcome section just after the hero image. We can also adjust the welcome section text size. The download button looks fine. Alright, the skill section is the hardest part because there are many elements that need to be corrected. Let's quickly have a look at the reference website. I'll set it to iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, here's the design we're going to follow. Going back to the editor. First, ungroup the all element to edit them. We need to make some space at the bottom so we can freely move the elements and change their positions. Now we have a small issue. The original skill name text is right aligned on the desktop view, but we can't align it right on the mobile view because it doesn't look good. The issue is that we can't edit its alignment of the desktop element on the mobile view. So as option, we can duplicate the text and then apply a new alignment for the duplicate element. We can delete it or hide it, the original text. Here I delete it, and don't worry, it won't affect our desktop view. Okay, let's bring the progress bar under the skill name. I need more space. It's 95, so I'll make it a bit shorter. Anyway, we can make adjustment after we place all the elements. Now we can place the percentage text on the edge of the progress bar. All right. We have to follow the same step for the rest of elements. So I'll speed it up the video here. I'm pretty sure you understand, and you just have to repeat the same step for other skill elements. Make sure to duplicate the text element to change the alignment and then delete the original. Yes, it's done. Let's move to the experience section. This also doesn't look nice, and we'll need to put some effort to fix it. First, let me quick look at our reference website. Here we have the green line with the milestone dots. I think it will be easier to delete all the original text element and then redesign them. So I delete all the text element except the first one. We can keep it that for to create new designs. As earlier, let's make some space. I'll reduce the text size because I need more space on the left side to place the green line. I'll do the same for the time range text and the company name text. Seems fine. Now we need to add green line. For that, go to the tool section, click decoratives, then select vertical lines. Okay, here it is. Select this line. We can extend the length of the line. Now select the line and click the design option. Click customize design, then click border and select the line color as green. Now we can place this green line on the left side before the text elements. Okay, now we need a green color milestone dot. For that, select add elements and click decoratives, click basic shapes and select cycle. Click the design to change the color. Select the same green color and make it bit smaller. Place it parallel to the date range text. The first one is done. Now we have to add the second work experience. Simply duplicate the whole text section including the green dot, then edit the text as you wish. Let me quickly copy paste the text from my reference website. Alright, now we have to follow the same steps to add other experience text elements. I believe you have an idea of how to do it, just duplicating the previous element and edit it. So I'll skip the adding the element part for now. Next, we have to fix the contact us section. As usual, let's make some space at the bottom. I'm just trying to make it look nice by adjusting the element positions. It seems feel free to contact me text is missing. It's probably hidden on the mobile view, so we have to make it visible on mobile. Click the hidden on mobile option on the toolbar and find the section. Here it is. Click show. Got it? Make it a bit smaller. And I notice our anchor are also hidden. We have to activate them on mobile. Place the relevant anchor between sections. I think the contact form field needs some adjustment. You can drag and drop each field. Now it looks good. Let me quickly save it and publish it. Here is the desktop preview. Let's check the mobile view on the browser. Everything seems fine. Every section is visible as I expected. Actually, now the mobile view is done. This looks exactly like our reference website. So that's it. This is how you make a professional portfolio website using the Wix platform without any coding knowledge. We designed both desktop and mobile views, and it's perfectly working. So a user can now smoothly navigate through the website. If you have any questions and suggestions, feel free to share with them in the comment section, and I'll happy to help in any way I can. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.